This video walkthrough shows you how to install the WPSS validation tool. You want to go to GitHub, and at the bottom of the project page you will find various instructions including the WPSS tool installer. You'll want to install Perl if you don't have it already installed locally on your workstation, and you'll also want to install Python. You download those to your computer locally, and you're going to download the WPSS tool installer application as well. These three files are not run on a web server, they just run on a local workstation. Once the three tools are downloaded, you'll want to make sure that you install Perl and Python prior to installing the WPSS tool. So we'll start with Perl. The installer will walk you through the installation. We've selected just to keep everything in the default directories. The installer will proceed to complete the installation. When the installation of Perl is done, you can uncheck the README and click Finish. You then want to proceed to install Python. Run the installer. You can choose this based on whatever settings you want to use. Again, we leave it to the default directory, and we opt to install all features. And once Python is completed, you just click the Finish button. In the next video, we'll show how to install the WPSS tool installer. At this point, you would reboot your computer to make sure that Python and Perl are configured properly prior to installation of WPSS. This is important because WPSS does check to see whether or not Perl and Python are properly installed.